Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by appending the rig into your scene. File Append, browse to the Blend, Open Object or Armature, and bring the armature in. Once done, place the rig near your mesh and apply transforms so rotations and scales match. This avoids misaligned bones. Make sure to enable auto-run Python scripts only if your rig uses drivers, because that allows custom driver behavior. You're now ready to move from import into actual binding steps. Do not skip transform alignment. With the rig in place, you decide how to bind. Select the mesh first, then the armature, press Ctrl+P and pick Armature to form. You can choose with automatic weights for a fast start, which calculates initial vertex weights, or empty groups if you plan to paint weights manually. Once bound, go into Weight Paint to inspect problematic areas and use data transfer or manual painting to fix heat map issues. Vary pressure and smooth weights until deformations look natural. To finish, verify the armature modifier is active and correctly ordered in the modifier stack. Typically keep armature above non-deforming modifiers or below deformations as needed. You then switch to pose mode and test key poses, checking for vertex drift, inverted faces, or unnatural bends. If you see problems, make sure all objects have applied transforms, recalculate normals, and remap or smooth weights. One key troubleshooting tip: if weights behave oddly, remove.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.